So when it asks you, you can say, hey, yeah, it's open. Right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see how this video comes out. It's a little bumpy, but not too gravelly and not sandy. So I'm good. You good?
I'm good.
Big bump. Hey, make sure that I don't start singing the Green Acres song on video. That'd be pretty stupid.
That would be bad.
But I'm having a hard time not doing it, for the record. Should have brought the blanket. Wow, that's a nice spot, huh?
So close. Who knew?
Who knew?
I love it when we find something great.
We do a lot of that. I don't know if you've noticed. Big bumps.
I have noticed. But you think it's all flat out here, and then you get this.
Yeah. I'm going to say one thing about this road, not a Fat Bob road.
Nope. We love you, Strom. Look at those.
You're allowed to point out anything to me because I'm kind of concentrating on the road, so I like when you point it out.
Okay, good. This is the creek.
Fuck. This is going to take some thought. All right, committed. The Strom is a mighty one. Come join me. How'd it look?
Very smooth.
A little shaky, but I'm learning that shaky is just part of the whole operation.
But the funny part was you ended up in the deepest part.
I went through the middle because it looked like it was less rocky. So after checking it out, I didn't think the water was going to be a problem. Did it look deep when I was going through it?
No,
Did it look like I was in deep?
Not until you were in that one little low spot right here.
At the end?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready. Another Strom accomplishment, eh?
You know what that means?
What's that mean?
There's not going to be a lot of people on this side.
There's not going to be a lot of people on this side. All right, so I guess I should make our next stop.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Excellent.
We'll make our next stop right there. So I hope this is long. 36, perfect. 16 miles, 36 minutes to the shopping center.
Oh, man.
Is that good?
I love this place.
You do?
We'll be coming back here.
We did good?
I wish I had a horse right now.
I know, baby. But you know what? At least we have a Strom.
We do have a Strom.
I did not want to put my feet down on that water.
No, I know. Stupid kids. Why do they have to just do that?
Unbelievable.
periodically on the fence.
Like a private property kind of thing?
But I thought that's all part of the preserve. That's why I'm wondering.
My feelings are the preserve are to the left. And we're gonna come up to a staging area pretty soon.
That was what the signs are on the left.
Oh, it is? Maybe we're thinking about different signs?
I can't believe we just saw a car right now.
Well, I think the big deal is that the preserve is open. It says that even when during normal times, it's only open a couple of Saturdays out of the whole month. So I think it's a big deal that it's open.
Oh.
And here it is.
Look at all those horse trailers.
Oh, baby. Big bumps coming up.
Slow down for this one so I can read it.
Oh, we'll totally stop.
Right here.
Yeah. Up there, right?
Yeah, that's the only
Oh,
one.
that one. Old Woodland Preserve. So, that's the spot if you want to go horses, huh? You know, we don't have to stop to take pictures when we've got this thing because we've got a picture right now.
Right. Sensitive habitat. So it's not trespassing, but it's open? I don't understand.
Well, it said on, you didn't look at the website I did. It said that it's open only part-time. You can't go in there when it's not open. And you always have to check in. And I don't know if you need a guide or what, but that's what it was. That's why it's saying that.
Nice.
Horse trailers. Heaven for you. I guess not enough people come down here to put a little bridge over Crevice Creek there.
I guess not.
What's going on here? Nobody warned us about this shit. You think you're wet? Come on, babe.
Right as the horses were coming back.
What do you mean?
Look behind you with the trailer.
Did I scare them?
No. Let's come back from the trailer.
Gotcha. So you want to stay for a little while and watch it?
No? You ready?
Yeah. Look at this guy.
I'm sure we came from the other way.
Oh, glad that's over with. Keep learning, right?
You see, fine. Did you slip and slide?
Yeah, I mean, you're kind of all over the place, and I think that's the learning curve is that, you know, I'm used to asphalt and rock solid and all that, and I just got to learn the slipping and sliding is part of it.
Well, what was he saying? Steer with your feet and not your hands.
Yeah, once I got to doing it, I didn't ignore it. I just lost my concentration and just went back to my regular riding style.
Have you done any regular dirt bike riding like he's doing?
No. But I've done mountain bike riding through some pretty nasty shit. You know?
Right.
So I got that going for me.
This was great practice.
Great practice.
In a place where there's plenty of people and, you know.
I don't like the plenty of people. I don't want them to see me. I'd rather just sit there and die.
If you had a real problem, you wouldn't be that far to go for help.
Right. I don't know. The harder the stuff that we try, the easier everything else is,
Yeah.
which is good.
Watch out for this rock shit because it gets slippery.
Yes, dear.
It's the one you're not expecting, it's going to get you.
I know. Sure.
Everything has to be so expensive.
I know. I just hope we don't run into something now, and I'm hoping those guys would have warned us that we really can't handle, because then we got to go do those two again. Although the Clevis one was pretty easy. The second one was only hard because of the rocks. And I'm pretty fucking soaked all the way up past my ankles, but that'll dry.
Inside your boots?
No, fortunately not that. Good boots.
Looks like they took the left side over there,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
You want me to get out?
Nope. We're getting to be experts. I'm just being a little...
You're scared and you want me to just get off for a minute? Just say it.
Yep. We're good.
I know you're more worried about jumping me than you are jumping the bike.
Right. We're worried about that bike too, though, babe.
I know, but
Although, you know, the crash bars are the key. No matter what we do, we probably won't do that much damage.
man, it's beautiful here. Look at that.
Hang on.
There's more than one creek crossing the road. You gotta be able to, right?
Absolutely. I wouldn't want to try this after a storm or once the snow starts to melt, once all this shit comes down. You know what's great about the road too, though?
Huh?
Is those guys, I guarantee are you doing all these little off things. So it's good for pure dirt bikers and adventure riders.
Right.
What a great road to have for the first time that we use the GoPro.
No kidding.
Speaking of which, I want to make sure it's still recording. Plus, you know what?
Plus there's cows.
Plus, it's fucking beautiful. We should take little breaks and stuff, don't you think?
Uh-huh.
Like right here. Dismount and look around.
Yes, sir.
No problem there.
Too bad you can't do that for cows.
Too bad. So we're about a third of the way through the dirt.
This is awesome.
All the water features we're past it. I mean, I'm not saying we're not going to hit another one, but on the map, all the water features were by it.
I'd just like to shoot that plane down so we didn't even have to hear that.
Absolutely. Highlight tag. What do you mean by that? Still recording. 31 minutes in. Man, it's just like it's nothing but wide open spaces. You're not even really seeing any properties up there.
Well, anything on this side is the preserve, right? I don't know about this.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm not sure. The preserve though looked to me like preserve. This is our road, and the preserve looked like kind of right here, not the whole way up. But I'm
No,
not sure.
A big chunk of it was above the road. There
Right.
was that side road that went up in there or whatever, and then, right?
Yep. All right, let's remount. Let's do it.
At least only one foot's wet.
I wish I could say the same.
Your feet are wet?
Yeah, they kind of leaked through a little bit. Well, I don't know. Maybe not. They feel a little moist, but not real bad.
That's what I need to find is my riding boots.
No, we need to get you some motorcycle boots or some adventure
How are they
boots.
different?
Both will be waterproof. There'll be more enforcement for if you go down that it didn't wreck the asphalt doesn't wreck your toes.
It'll have steel toes in it,
Probably. Yeah.
which makes it heavier.
Well, I don't know. Because these that I'm wearing, these are the ones that I hit the deer with. They don't have steel toes and they protected me.
So I'm saying, so regular riding boots might be better than tennis shoes.
Maybe.
Big moves.
Big what?
Big moves.
Big moves. I thought you said big moves. I was going to say, all right. There's our next thing to deal with. I can't believe
I'll come to the front.
I can't believe how many times that we've since we've got this.
Hi guys.
You don't look happy at all.
Doesn't look unhappy. Oh.
All the times that we've I kind of tried to search us out dirt roads and stuff,
Hey now, brown cow.
and the road here that we found, I think you're concentrating a little bit more on the cow.
I am.
Rightfully so.
Yeah, come here, cow.
All right, Kyle, we're gonna go back to let you be by yourself.
What were you saying?
I forget.
Sorry. Put me in front of an animal and expect me to focus.
Completely agree.
You know I love animals.
I know you do.
I'll find out what you were trying to tell me later when I watch the playback.
All right.
People in their fucking deer hands and I'm gonna murder.
Have to be murdered.
Look at that.
The trees?
Almost looks like tombstones.
A little bit.
Was that his kid?
Is that what?
The kid? Was that his kid?
It's a younger person,
right?
for sure, yeah. Hang on.
Cool.
I don't know who sings the song, but the song Wide Open Spaces is the one that's in my head.
Dixie Chicks.
Is it? Yeah, I think we've gone through this before.
Room to make our big mistakes.
Is that what they say?
Yeah.
What's the wording?
Room to make a big mistake, but I was saying room to make our big mistake.
I like it. Yeah, you definitely want to do this. Don't want to do this one right after a storm.
No. Oh, maybe.
It's not a snake, is it?
I think it's horseshit. Not sure yet. Horseshit.
Or shit, it is. You're kind of, we have a good teamwork here. You're kind of an expert on horse shit, the physical, and I'm kind of full of horse shit.
Yeah.
So there's
What
that.
you did there.
So you remember when, obviously I said the sand just kind of wasn't fun because it was so deep. And then that uphill after that one bridge thing, one of the first rides,
Yeah.
that I said that was kind of hard work. You know, fun but hard work. This is more just fun.
I love this story. I'm glad we came this way today.
Me too. And I'm glad I didn't chicken out and made that second creek. Because I was thinking about it. You know, too, it would help to do stuff like that for me, that if we actually got adventure gear, you know, adventure motorcycling boots and pants.
Uh-huh.
Because then that's half the battle. You go down and you're not just on top of going down, you're not drenched all day. Definitely something unique. I mean, I haven't been through anything like this where it's just so, I mean, I don't even feel like we're in California.
Right?
Are we up near something called White Rock Road somewhere up this way, or is that someplace completely different?
That is up by El Dorado.
Okay.
Because it's on the back side of where the town center thing is.
Gotcha.
Those almost look like a moonscape, the way they're just sticking up out of the ground.
Yep. I love that you love this place.
How it went from such a tree-filled area too, with all the creeks, to just nothing, not even any trees, just nothing.
Wide open places, yeah. Small amounts of civilization coming back.
Right? So beautiful. Mountains in the distance with the snow up there.
Yeah.
Look at how much snow's over on that side.
I'm a little surprised that it's not greener. This is really the greenest time of the year, huh?
It's underneath though. What you're seeing is that top since it's not.
So do you think it'll get greener, or is that what we're dealing with? That's the best it's going to get.
But this is like a taller grass that never got mowed down, so there's green grass underneath it. I just think the tall stuff is.
You have to say it. Now I'm on the green grass. Oh my God, keep reminding me this is recorded.
Look at them all looking at us like fish people. Hey, cow!
I love it. How much water's been drinking today? Yep. Just see where we are here. How many did I say this was total? We still got a long way. No, not that far. But we still got kind of hit the main road again. And we're almost out of battery. How did I forget that other one?
That took that whole battery already?
Yep. Been over an hour though.
Since you turned it on?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Time flies when you're on a dirt road.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's been almost an hour. the batteries are probably the originals. You know, batteries go bad. So
Right.
if we continue to have fun with it, we'll get new ones.
Another road.
Another road. Gonna have to kind of mark. No, I didn't really see that.
I didn't either.
Bumps. Look how pretty that is.
Yeah.
Now that's a picture right there. And look at how, where you can see just the top of those mountains
Yeah.
because of the way that it dips, so that they almost look like they're at the same level we're at here.
It's amazing, huh?
It is. These are the ones that would completely, I think Fat Bob would get stuck on them.
Yep.
They'd be so bottomed out. Bump. Lots of bumps. What are we going to do there? We're going to go there and there.
Nicely maneuvered.
Thanks, babe. It's ever changing, you know?
Uh-huh.
I mean, for a minute there, I was like, okay, now it's probably pretty smooth the rest of the way. And we were going up to like 20-something miles an hour. Now we're back to maneuvering. Yeah, that left side doesn't look very good, huh?
Uh-uh. You're gonna make an S. Good thing you're paying attention. I'm like, why'd you go to the left? Oh shit.
That's kind of the only thing about this is as beautiful it is all around. You know, when you're where I am, hang on.
You gotta pay attention.
Yeah, it's 100% road. There's a good one.
Yep.
Remind me to get more speed next time for that one.
More guys. Not the same guys?
Yeah, those are the guys.
Okay.
I'm saying more guys approaching.
Oh. This was great. What a great find.
Hell of a find. And it was teamwork finding it too.
Yeah.
More pure dirt bikes, not adventure bikes. I feel pretty good that so far we've seen 4 other bikes and they've all been dirt bikes. This looks like it could be an adventure. Ah, that's a dirt bike too. We saw 2.7 miles left of this.
This is awesome road. We'll be doing this one again.
Absolutely.
And you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, but we're not really that far from home.
No? Because right now there's a little bit like, oh man, what if one thing comes up that we're fucked on? So the first time is always a little bit shakier.
Right.
Although you don't know, because there could be other areas there that were too deep depending on how the water flows. Look at this little ranch home coming up.
No, that one back there.
Got his solar there so he can live off the grid for a while. You know, you could also, when you're living out in the middle of nowhere these days, between now that we know we can get all the good channels and stuff on regular antenna, and there's a satellite antenna still. Okay, remember that as private road though. Where do you go for a burrito? When you say you'll make me all the burritos I can eat.
You're not really that far from somewhere.
Well,
on this side, you're only 2 miles down from pavement.
We're 18 minutes from El Dorado.
Right. What is this considered over here? Where are we?
Middle. We're in the wide open spaces.
Look at that place.
Yeah. What's that? Structure to the left.
I don't know. It's one of those things I always see on old farms.
Maybe you're my source for farming.
I don't know what to call them enough to ask somebody what they are.
Gotcha.
It's been my problem. Look at a nice little pond down there. See, we just need some acreage like this with some electricity so I can get an RV to park on it. It can be our home away from home.
Home away from home.
We can just weekend up there.
Oh no! Pavement. You did it, Strong. Good job. Well, this road, this is Latrobe Road we've been on, and it turns into Shingle Springs something. And I bet you this is Shingle Springs something. So how far are we from Shingle Springs?
Find an address that tells you what the mailing is.
Dusty in the summertime, huh?
Yeah. Dry and hot.
Didn't expect to be seeing this kind of stuff today, did you? Turning around and telling me you ain't gonna make it. Because they're not.
But maybe they're not going.
No?
But they don't intend to. Maybe they're visiting somebody.
I know. That's the joke I was gonna get to hit. It's not maybe they're not going all the way. But I see what you're saying. That was another pure dirt bike that I had. Turn this off so that we have, now that the good part's over, and maybe we can at least take a glance at it. Almost, huh?
State lots, gate guarded.
I love gate guarded. 56 minutes now.